Hi, I'm Naren Banik, professor at the Medical University of South Carolina and health research scientist at the Ralph H. Johnson VA Medical Center in Charleston. I was born in 1938 in the state of Bengal, undivided India. I came to London in 1961 and enrolled in the University of London. I received my master's degree in biochemistry at the University of London under the mentorship of Richard Rodman. During my schooling, I worked with Professor Henry McElwain in the Department of Biochemistry at the Institute of Psychiatry, University of London, where I became interested in neurochemistry of the brain. Working in intricate nature of brain chemistry and complexity in McElwain's laboratory inspired me to go into neurochemistry. And for my PhD, I joined Alan Davison's laboratory in the Department of Biochemistry at the Charing Cross Hospital Medical School, and subsequently I moved with him to the Institute of Neurology, Neurochemistry Department, the University of London. And there, I met a fair number of neurochemists in the laboratories of McElwain and Davison, who were both ASN-ISN members. These scientists became my colleagues and friends. And around that time, in 1968 and 69, near the end of my PhD studies, I became a member of the ISN, and I learned of the formation of the ASN by attending the ISN meeting in Budapest, 1971. I joined the ASN in 1975 after moving to the USA in Marion Smith's laboratory at Stanford and Palo Alto VA Medical Center. I've been a member since 1975, meaning I've been a member for 44 years. Currently, I am an emeritus member of the society. The ASN is a small society, but making the meeting and banquet a homely affair. This small, unique society is focused on understanding brain development and the mechanisms involved in neurodegeneration and amelioration of disease. The uniqueness of the society is that one gets to see friends and colleagues, make new ones, discuss science, and learn from each other's work. The meeting environment is ideal for in-depth discussions of science and cordial compared to many other societies. I learned a lot from many scientists in this society, especially my mentors. And some of my fondest memories include hosting the ASN meetings in Charleston and meeting and making many friends. And one thing I remember, that we had 908 members attending the meeting. I developed close friendship with many over the years, including Evo Loiter, Larry Yang, George DeBreeze, Bob Yu, Phil Swanson, Jean DeBellis, Alex Chu, and many others. So we have remained in contact and have reunited during the meetings and during my service as a council member and on ASN committees. My friends and colleagues from the ASN also helped me develop studies on mechanisms involved in different neurodegenerative diseases, as well as collaborations on common goals and securing students in my laboratory. As an emeritus member, I would like to encourage future generations of neurochemists to join this very friendly and close-knit society, communicating with each other on various diseases and learn how disease progression can be stopped or the cure be found. This can only learn from continuous basic research because there is no end to learning.